I am Ajay Saroj, hashtag Mr. Cool. Today we are study about some interesting knowledge about cell cycle and cell division. So in the cell cycle, how the process, how the cell create, how the cell is formed, we studied, and how the cell division occurs in our body, that it studied. Growth and the reproduction of all organisms depend on the cell division and enlargement of cell. So growth of the body is depend on the cell division process and also enlargement of the body cells. The mechanism of division and multiplication of cell together constitute cell reproduction. When the mechanism of the cell division and the multiplication of cells both combined together called cell reproduction constitute. Now cell cycle is consisting when the one cell is divided into two cells, that is cell division, and the cell, it is the life period. Cell cycle is the life period of a cell during which a cell synthesizes DNA and grows in size and divide into two daughter cells. Cell cycle is the life period. Cell cycle is the life period of cell during when the cell is synthesized DNA and grow in size and divides into two daughter cell, that is cell cycle. Cell growth is a continuous process, but DNA synthesis occurs only at a specific during cell cycle. Cell growth the cell growth only DNA synthesis is only at a specific stage, occurs at a specific stage. Duration of cell cycle varies in each organism and each cell type. Duration of a cell cycle varies in each organism and each cell type. Duration of typical eukaryotic cell cycle is about 24 hours. Eukaryotic cell cycle is 24 hours, and in yeast it is only about 90 minutes, means 1.5 hour. So now phases of cell cycle. There are two basic phases of cell cycle: interphase and M phase. M phase is also called as mitotic phase, and interphase is also called as a respiratory resting phase or a preparatory phase. Interphase cell is prepared itself to for the cell division. It is the phase between two successive M phase, and it includes cell growth and DNA synthesis. During interphase there is a cell growth and say DNA synthesis occurs, and it lasts more than 95% of the duration of the cell cycle. Percent of the duration of the cell cycle. Phases of interphase. Interphases, there are three basic phases of interphase: G1 phase, also called gap 1 phase, S phase. S phase is also called synthetic phase, and the third is the G2 phase, G2 gap 2 phase. These are three phases of the interphase, and due to G1 phase, G1 phase also called as antiphase. Antiphase in which it is the first growth phase, and it intervals between mitosis and DNA replication. And there are in the G1 phase the constituent growth of the cell occurs, and the cell becomes metabolically active. And the prepares machinery of DNA replication. And synthesize RNA and protein in G1 phase. Now S phase, synthetic phase, it is the longest phase. There is a synthesis of DNA replication take place. Amount of DNA per cell doubles, but chromosome number is not increased. In animal cells, replication begins in the nucleus. In animal cells, replication begins with nucleus, and the centriole duplicates into the cytoplasm. G2 phase. G2 in G2 phase, this is a second growth phase, and there is a cell growth continues, and synthesis of RNA and protein continues, and cell is prepared for mitosis. Then it goes into the mitosis process. Now it's a M phase. M phase is also called a mitosis phase. In mitosis phase, cell divisions occur. There is two process, karyokinesis and cytokinesis happen. Karyokinesis means division of nucleus, and cytokinesis is when the division of cytoplasm, and it represent the actual cell division mitosis. Cell division mitosis in human cell cycle, it lasts for only about an hour, and the M phase includes karyokinesis and cytokinesis. Karyokinesis nuclear division, and cytokinesis cytoplasm division. Now there is a one also phase called as G0 phase. G0 phase is also called as a quiescent stage. Quiescent, in this stage some cells do not show division. That's example, heart cell. Heart cell is not show division. Many other cells divide only occasionally to replace damaged for dead cell. Damaged for then the cells do not divide further and exist into G1 phase, another an inactive stage called as quiescent stage. Such cells remain metabolically active but do not proliferate.